Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to show you my latest project. I had a few photographs on my blog on this super fab suitcase, guys. For those of you who follow my videos, I showed an inspiration suitcase a week or so ago, and I said I was going to make a new one, a sequel to the Travel Tales suitcase, and here it is. Let me quickly show you the inspiration suitcase. It's this one right here, and I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby, and I did mine up just like this one for another Ustream class that I'm gonna have. I'm not sure exactly when, but it will be very soon. Here's the side of it. I can't get a really good angle there in the camera, but because it's big, it's about 9 or so inches, no more, 10 or so inches long, and there's the other side, and there's the back of it. It's put together with graphic 45 hinges, and here are some nice bands, a nice detail here using the Tradewind stack by Die Cuts with a View. Love the paper line. Here are the closures. Really fun project, guys. I want you to know that this comes together so easily. I want you to know that it's not really hard to put together, I promise. At least I don't think so. The side panels are going to be cut with your Cricut, guys, and there will be a tutorial for this. I will have the template for the side panels. That makes it a lot easier in the tutorial, but it comes together so easy. Of course, there's going to be a mini album inside. Here's the other side. I'm so bummed about this part right here. I had my ink pad open and I got a stain there, and I was like, not happy about it, but you know, hopefully eventually I'll add some character to the piece. Whatever. Not happy about it, guys. I am gonna put some feet on this one because of those hinges, it doesn't stand up straight the way it should. It kind of wobbles back and forth with that little hinge mechanism down there, but I really love it. I wanted to share it with you all. There will be a mini album inside. It's not finished on the inside yet, but I'll open it up so you guys can see. You can still see all my brads and all that on the inside, but it's got to be lined and beautified on the inside. So I'll do that. I'll put the mini album together, and as soon as I'm done, I will post this lovely project, which is called The Journey, to my Ustream schedule and to my blog. So look out for The Journey, my friends. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time,